Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Dewar here with part 2 of writing linear equations in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, so if you haven't learned that yet, that's something you're going to need to know. In this video, we're going to work on writing linear equations given a point and a slope, and also given 2 points. So we'll get right to it. We're going to start given a point and a slope, and here's an example. So you know the slope is 5, you know a point on the line is 3, -4. We use something called point-slope form, which names suggest exactly what it is. It's used when you're given a point and a slope. And point-slope form is here, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We need to sub in x1, y1 given the ordered pair and the m with the slope. So I'll show you what that looks like. Your slope is m. We replace it with 5 since that's what we're given. x1, y1 is your ordered pair. The x1 is the 3, and the y1 is the -4 part of the ordered pair. And then from there, what you do is you put that into slope-intercept form just by manipulating the equation. We have a few things we want to do. That minus a -4 will change to a plus. Also, we'll need to distribute the 5 to clear away the parentheses. And the last thing we're going to do is solve for y. So to do that, I need to move the 4 to the right. And I combine it with that -15, and my final answer will be y equals 5x minus 19. So it is in slope-intercept form, and I was able to get it by starting with the point-slope form. Let's do this again. Here's a new point, a new slope. Given a point and a slope, we use point-slope form. So here it is. We'll sub in the slope. The slope is 1/2. And the point, the x value is 6, so we'll replace it with 6. And the y value is -1. And again, I want to change that -1 minus the -1 to a plus. And I'll distribute the 1/2. 1/2 times x and 1/2 of -6. The last thing I need to do is solve for y. Move the 1 to the right and combine it with the -3. And you've got slope-intercept form. So not so bad. Given 2 points, you'll have one additional step. The first thing you need to do is find the slope. They don't give it to us this time. So using your slope formula, this is something we've done in a previous video. Slope formula is subtract the y's in the numerator and the x's in the denominator. So I'll start by subbing in those values. My y2 value is -5. My other y value is 1. Putting the x's in, my x2 value is 9. And the other x value is 7. So quick calculation, we can see the slope is -3. So now I have a slope, and I actually only need 1 point, but I have 2. So I get to pick the one I want to work with. I'm just going to pick the one I like better. I like the first one better. Either point will work. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in all those values. The slope is -3, and you can see I put in the x and the y value from the point. All right, so this is going to work just like last time. Distribute the -3 and then solve for y. Bring the 1 to the other side and combine it with the 21. And you've got slope-intercept form. So that'll do it. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That would help me out a lot. Thanks so much for watching.